So this thing was on the whole time. I think we're supposed to like put it off before they send it or something. What the fuck? If it's too sugar, why are you still eating it? Nana, my the sugar too much. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Say hello to my subscribers. Hi! It's 9. Super. I like it!
He needs some milk!
I have been craving red velvet cake for about a week or 2. I was thinking, why don't I make it with you guys instead of going to buy it? We are going to be doing it in a microwave. Flour. By the way, the flour I'm using is made in Ghana though, because I support Ghana made products. So the flour I'm using today is from Ghana. Cocoa powder. This is from Ghana as well because we produce the best cocoa. So why not use Ghanaian cocoa powder? Sugar. And then butter and cream cheese. 2 eggs and baking powder and baking soda. Baking powder and baking soda, all made in Ghana. Once again, I'm going to be using margarine, vinegar. So I'm going to start by sifting the flour. Sift until I run out of patience and just pour that in. I mean, who has time for that? Definitely not me. And then I'll advise you to sift if you have a bigger I don't know what name is, but whatever it's used for sifting stuff. And then I sift the baking powder and baking soda to make sure I get the fine grains because we don't want any clumps in our batter. I'm gonna sift the cocoa powder now, but then I don't have patience again, so just pour it in there and mix everything up. And I'm melting this butter in the microwave because the recipe says we should use melted margarine. You can use butter or margarine, but the butter wasn't enough, so I replaced it with margarine. But yeah, you need to melt it before you use it. I'm done with the wet ingredients now. After mixing everything, this is how it looks like. Microwave safe bowls, don't forget that. And I forgot to add, you need food coloring and vanilla essence. That's part of the things I added to the wet ingredients, as I said. Now that I am done, I'm going to be baking them for, should I say baking or cooking them, because I'm using the microwave. I'm going to be cooking them for, I don't know how long. Let me check. It depends on the microwave and I don't want to overcook it. So let's do 5 minutes. Or 3. I'm scared. Wish me luck. It's still raw in the middle, so we're going to pop that back into the microwave for another 2 minutes. Very happy with the results because I didn't mess this up. Even after eating just anything inside, I still managed to get it right. You guys see this? It's so moist, but I've already eaten parts, so the only thing I don't like about it is it's lumpy. I didn't get the flat surface that I was supposed to, but still tasting good, so we're good. I'm going to put these in the fridge. I've put the other 2 and this is the last one because I don't have the patience to wait for it to cool to room temperature. So I'm going to put it in the fridge so that it cools faster. See you. Now I'm about to start with the icing. We are going to do cream cheese icing. I don't know if that's the name, but I bought this hand mixer because we didn't have one in my house, and so that should tell you I am serious about this. So click the like button. Am I supposed to assemble? No, I was supposed to assemble this. Which one am I supposed to use? This or this? Confused. I don't know if I'm supposed to use. Let me see from the menu. I think this is what I'm supposed to use. This is the beater, and this is the dough. This is for the dough hook. So we are going to use this. Okay, I'm not sure. This. I hope I don't spoil this thing because I'm going to be mad at my fucking self.
I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer.
So what we are about to do is cream cheese frosting. We are going to start with unsalted butter, 200 grams. This is how it looks like. I'm going to go in with this because I feel like the cheese I'm using is too small. So we are going to add this to it. I don't even know if it's cream cheese, but I'm still going to use it anyways. But I feel like it needs more cheese. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Right now I'm decorating it. It's not looking the best, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. What's this? Mama, what's this?
My mama and mommy Chima.
No, what is this? It's what?
It's this.
So I'm going to use the cake crumbs to decorate it, you know, something basic, because what else can I do? And there's more left, so I'm going to use that to I'm just going to sprinkle that some way. Now we are done. We're good. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. There's plenty of the cheese frosting left, so I'm going to keep that and use it another time. It's not coming out.
Mommy.
Guys, see how moist it is. So we are about to do the taste test now. I'm going to give her a piece to bite so she tells you guys that I'm a good cook, because I'm a good cook. Nana, do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it, yes or no? Do you like it? Is it sweet? Eddie. I'm the next person to taste them. Anyways, it tastes nice. As you can see, she didn't spit it out.
It's really good, but there's too much sugar in it. It's okay, but I don't like sugar, so the icing is like too much. There's too much sugar in the icing.
The sugar is very good, so I don't
The
know
sugar
what
is
you're talking
too
about.
much.
The sugar has got too much, please. But anyway, if you are diabetic, you can reduce the sugar. Like
I'm not diabetic, but I don't like sugar personally. It's just too much.
Nana, is the sugar too much?
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Is the sugar too much?
The sugar is
Nana, is the sugar too much? Hey. Nana, is the sugar too much? Wow, Nana, the sugar is not too much. Nana, the sugar is not too much.
it's moderate, but then
It's moderate unless you don't like sugar at all. If it's too sweet, why are you still eating it? Peace. Oh.
give it to me and I'm going to give it to them.
Nana, just do it. Nana. Hey. Get out of this place. Angel. Now, Angel is about to taste and give you guys
Peace.
what it tastes like. Okay? So, say hello to my subscribers.
Hi. Hurry.
Nana, please don't touch it. Just leave it. Leave it there. Don't touch it. Thank you. Sit down. Sit here. You will not sit down, so you do. Okay, go to Insha. What do you think about it?
Mommy, didn't come. It's nice. Super. I like it.
Nana, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Is it nice? What do you think?
It's okay. It's nice. I like it.
Hater. Come. Anama, you're hitting me. Anama, let's pose. Why? The sandals. Okay. Bye bye. Go to the hole.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Come and close the door.
Okay, I'm coming.